Here in Jacksonville, hospital officials tell us a number of their new patients are children sickened by the coronavirus. Now, this comes as cases here are rising rapidly. This graph showing how many cases have been reported each week in Duval County since the start of the pandemic. And Friday, we learned there were 4,400 new cases counted in 7 days. That's double the week before. News4Jax reporter Jim Pickett has been talking with doctors and nurses today about the latest numbers and is learning more troubling news. Jim's live from UF Health, Jacksonville. Jim.
You know, for 2 weeks now, I have been talking about these numbers, Mary, and they're just not getting any better. In fact, as you had mentioned, I talked to doctors and nurses today, and they were telling me what they're seeing inside. And what's happening is there are much more younger adults and kids.
First, the numbers. At Baptist Health, 230 people are hospitalized right now. That's 46 more than last Friday. 42 of the current patients are in ICU. Nearly 99% are not vaccinated. At UF Health, 117 people are hospitalized. That's 40 more than last Friday. Of those, 35 are in the ICU, and some are not getting better.
We did have some patients die over the weekend, and we unfortunately are going to have to expect that moving forward as well.
Another troubling fact is that kids are now becoming hospitalized. Hospital staff could not give us an exact number.
Yeah, we are seeing more cases of COVID-19 in kids also, just as we are seeing in adults. And fortunately, you know, as everybody knows, kids don't often get that sick. But we are now seeing an uptick in children being admitted to the hospital also with COVID-19.
Since kids under 12 can't get vaccinated, Dr. Rathore suggests we take special care in not exposing them to people who have not been vaccinated. He calls it cocooning.
You should demand that everybody around them at their house should be vaccinated. You know, if visitors are going to come to your house, they need to be vaccinated. So I think you have to basically cocoon these kids with all the vaccinated people.
And when it comes to treating the kids and adults in the hospital, that too is now becoming troublesome again.
Every place is full. All these the services are stretched. I think the staff is stressed about that. You know, we all come to work to do the best we can, but I think as the things explode, as they are right now, everybody gets affected by that.
You know, to get a real look at what's happening inside, at 6 o'clock, I talked to two RNs who are in the COVID wing, and they describe what's been going on in the past 2 weeks, and it's unbelievable what they're telling us. We'll have that all new at 6. For now, we're live at UF Health. Jim Pickett, Channel 4, the local station.